One of the most common activities in Easy8 is making two tasks related to each other. In this example, we have a project over here, a task, and on the second tab I have another task. So let's make them related. I'll open more section over here on the right side. I will choose an option add a related task. I can choose the type of relationship. Most often it would be the related to. I can hit the task. I could find the task here in a list or use the filters. Or what I would recommend is to copy the unique ID of the task, paste it here, hit enter, and the list will narrow down. So I'm choosing this task to be related, or I could actually choose more of them, hit save, and hit add. That will add a new section over here to the task, where I can see the related task. Let's see from the other side. This is the second task. If I refresh the page, I see the original task to be related. Similarly, if you are using QuickTime View, you have a related task section over here, which shows you the related tasks, and the plus button to make a new relation.